magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Pumunta lang tayo rito upang makita, dahil nais kong makita kung ano ba talaga yung buong sistema mula sa pagkahuli ng mga droga, tapos sa pag-testing, tapos finally sa pag-destroy sa mga nahuling drugs. Kaya dahil kailangan tiyakin natin na yung mga nahuhuling drugs ay talagang sinisira at wala nang pag-asa na bumalik pa na maibenta pa, na makuha, ibang i-report. At alam naman natin kung ano yung mga ibang pangyayari na nakikita natin. Kaya that's why I'm here today, just to see how the system works, para very, very solid yung system natin from the capture and of the illegal drugs all the way until the destruction of the illegal drugs also. So ito pa, ngayon ko lang nakita ito. So I was very interested to see. This will be, the chamber's temperature will be raised to 700 degrees Celsius, which is hot enough to destroy all of the active elements within the drug. So after nainit na 700 degrees Celsius, it will not be shabu anymore, it will not be marijuana anymore, it will not be any drug anymore. Hindi na talaga, sirang-sira na ito. So that's what we are here to witness. At this point, matagal pa ito, iinit pa ito for another 10 hours. No? 10 hours. Tapos mag-aantay tayo ng 12 hours bago palalamigin ulit para makita kung naubos na talaga yung ating sinunog. Kapag may nakita na may traces pa, ay babalik nila, uulitin na lang nila para talagang sirang-sira. Pero papalagay ko, with 700 degrees, with that long period of time, 10 hours na linuluto, palagay ko makikita natin na sira na talaga yan. And that's why we are here today. So I'm glad that the press is here para makita ninyo kung ano ba talaga ang sistema. I'm also happy that I was able to get the opportunity na makapunta rito para makita ko rin ang buong sistema from the capture all the way until its destruction. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Good morning. Yeah.